Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Good Girl Season 5. Good Girl fans have been eagerly waiting news for a potential Season 5, hoping to continue the thrilling journey of Beth, Ruby and Annie as they navigate the complexities of suburban crime and personal challenges. With its unique blend of humor, suspense and compelling character dynamics, the series has captured the hearts of viewers worldwide. As rumors and speculations swirl about the fate of the show, the possibility of a new season has become a hot topic of discussion among fans and critics alike. Join us as we explore the excitement and intrigue surrounding the future of this beloved crime comedy drama and what it could mean for the show's dedicated fan base. Here is all the information you require on Good Girl Season 5. Is Good Girl Season 5 renewed or cancelled? Good Girl Season 5 has been cancelled. During an appearance on Live with Kelly and Ryan Retta, the 52-year-old comedian explained why the NBC series Good Girls was cancelled. She revealed that the show was very close to a fifth season, but it was ultimately derailed by one person whose identity she did not disclose. Retta mentioned that the timing was too tight to replace this individual and continue the story, despite Kelly Ripa suggesting alternative solutions. Expressing her frustration, Retta emphasized that she was disappointed by the situation and even humorously suggested a dramatic plot twist involving a bomb scare. The cancellation of the show, in which Retta starred alongside Mae Whitman and Christina Hendricks, seemed to have left her feeling salty about the outcome. What would be the plot for Good Girls Season 5? The groundbreaking American comedy drama television series Good Girls, which aired on NBC, was created by Jenna Bans. In this wonderful story, Christina Hendricks, Retta, Mae Whitman and Reno Wilson play three brave suburban mothers. They must take risky actions to reclaim their control because they are in dire positions. The program presents Beth, Ruby and Annie's lives. They are three neighbors who are pals and who each have their own issues. Beth, a stay-at-home mother, has lost her husband to another woman. Ruby's marriage has been deteriorating as a result of her husband's gambling addiction. Annie, a single mother, balances caring for her two children while also dealing with the consequences of her ex-boyfriend's criminal behavior. To escape difficulties, the three rob a grocery store, but they get more than what they have bargained for. Because the fourth season left many things unsolved, viewers were anxious to discover more about what happened after that. It's too soon to predict what will happen in the Good Girl Season 5, but the cancellation news means that fans won't probably witness a thrilling conclusion to this adult series. Well, that is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.